Hey, good morning, investors and traders. Welcome to today's edition of the Market Action Morning Bite. I'm your host, Dersh, and this is brought to you by the Market Action app. Here's our quick disclaimer. This presentation is for educational purposes only, and this is not investment advice. So the futures were down late in the evening yesterday. It seems to be back rebounding as people assess, and seems like the volatility is slowly coming down. However, it could change any minute with the war situation in Ukraine, so something to keep a close eye on. Let's see some of the top analyst downgrades for the day. We have some of the names that I am very familiar with. All right, we're going to skip that. Let's just look at which is the lowest. Here we have SEE, Sealed Air Corporation, downgrade by JP Morgan. All the JP Morgan names are down pretty uh, more than others. Grab, C, Cole, interesting ticker names. And here's some top analyst upgrades for the day. Tesla got upgraded to outperform to 980, so definitely expect that to go higher today, and watch for a flow on it. If you see a flow, try to join in. Another one is, what else do we have here? Under Armour got an upgrade, and it's up 0.88%. Emetisis Inc. By BMO Capital is up like 9.6%. Interesting. Biotech seems to be bouncing again, so that's an interesting sector to watch. A lot of people think it's gotten sold off too much, and people are starting to nibble at it. Dollar General DG is upgraded by Wells Fargo and is up about 2.7%. So here's some tickers to keep on your watch list for the day. Not a lot of initiation since it's Friday. Kind Next Door Holdings, initiated by Morgan Stanley, is up about 2.3%. Let's look at some unusual option activity that we checked yesterday. AGNC put activity, Luminar, LAZR put activity as well. Bank of America call activity. We saw a lot of call activity after banks getting dragged down yesterday, all the way from Wells Fargo, Citibank, Bank of America, and a few more. Open Door Technologies, this one has call activity. KSS call activity. We saw a lot of call activity in retail as well yesterday, such as Macy's that we shared with, and it was up almost close to 100%, almost 80 to 100% from what I remember. Waste Management Inc. has put activity. J&J has put activity. BAA, the Boeing company, has call activity. This one also saw a lot of unusual option activity yesterday. Okay, where are we? PayPal Holdings. PayPal Holdings has some call activity as well. We saw some put flow, and then we saw some call flow, so the flow flips on you sometimes. You got to watch out for that. Snowflake has some call activity. TSM, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing, has some put activity. So there's a lot of action with the current market bounce. So going to be an exciting day to trade, even though it's Friday. So here are some pre-market gainers. Index, this is similar from yesterday. Etsy after, excuse me. Oh, I'm just still waking up. Index about 23%. Etsy, amazing earnings yesterday, and it's about 16%. Something to watch out for. I think Live Nation was another one as well. Pre-market losers, Live Person is down about 35%. Ouch. Everbridge down about 25%. Marin, which had recently jumped, is down about 11%. So most active by volume. There's some talk about acquisitions around some gaming and meta type of tickers. So Zoom Zenga is popping for that. Not sure exactly the reason, but a lot of buzz going around pre-market around gaming acquisitions for Meta World. Um, Apple up again, the index up again. Sophie is moving up. AMD is moving up. We saw some really good flow in semis yesterday. AMD, Nvidia, MU. So something to watch out for as a whole. Even SOXLS, the ETF for semis. Some economic calendar. Some of these are already out, and I guess Fed monetary policy reports are still tentative, so we'll find out. We're working on the data for this one. What's trending on social media? So something to look out for. So Coinbase, this kind of sold off yesterday after earnings. It had a really big pop and then it fell really hard too. So something to keep your eye out on. Rocket Companies Inc. is up about 6%. SQ, here's another earnings one, is about up 20%. Beyond Meat is down about 11%. Etsy, once again, up about 16%. Foot Locker, ouch, down about 23%. Zscaler, down about 13%. KB Homes, up 1%. Autodesk, somewhat flat. Some pre-market earnings. Nog is one to watch. Lamar is one to watch. Let's see what we have here. This data is not 100% accurate, so take it with a bit of a salt. Foot Locker is another one that we just saw trending on social media. And that's about it. I guess MoneyGram International, MGI, is another one to watch. And it's Friday, so not a lot of earnings after close. Once again, thank you. That brings us to the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment below, and share any feedback that you may have or any tickers that we may have missed that we should be watching. And let us know how do you like the morning bite and how can we improve or add any information in there. So your suggestions are always welcome. Do not forget to visit marketaction.live for our unusual option activity app and sign up for a free trial. And feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions around unusual option activity and how we trade it. Take care and have a good day. And I'll see you. Have a great weekend. And we'll see you again on Monday at Market Action Morning Bite. Thank you for tuning in.